Well, my friends, this is a case of a teenage boy, aged about 19 years, who had developed gastrointestinal disorders after taking mushroom, purchasing from the market, and that was followed by diarrhea or gastrointestinal disorders from the next morning and onward. The patient was admitted to a nursing home. After 4 days, the patient transferred to a medical college of Bengal, in the RG Medical College and Hospital, and they have examined in the local nursing home, it was diagnosed as meningoencephalitis with acute gastritis and dehydration. The patient was brought to RG Medical College and Hospital. They have also diagnosed a case of meningitis, uncontrolled seizures, and status epilepticus. They have done MRI of the brain, which shows no abnormality. MRI of the brain, nothing abnormality. The sample of stool was sent to the National Institute of Research and in Bacterial Infectious Hospital. No bacteria found, non-reactive for typhus IgM. EEG done, normal EEG. So all investigations with no particular identification, any bacteria or bacillus or parasites or abnormalities. So they diagnosed a case of meningitis empirically and gastroenteritis. 22 days, the patient was hospitalized. For 3 weeks, the patient was hospitalized. At last, he developed some brain symptoms, irritative symptoms, convulsions, spasms. Bizarre methods. And the patient was discharged after 22 days. But now the patient has developed disturbance in the voice, slurred speech, insomnia, severe constipation, etc. I am showing the slurred speech. What type of slurred speech? What's your name? Where do you live? Where do you live? So you have seen that the voice is totally slurred, indistinct speech, along with other systemic complications, constipation, diarrhea, tremor, trembling, weakness, faintness, etc. My assumption is the whole system was originated from the mushroom poisoning. The mushroom which the boy taken at night, at dinner, and which showed the diarrhea from the next day and onwards, and further followed by brain irritation and disturbance in the central nervous system. So my prescription is Agaricus muscarius 202 doses, on considering it is nothing but a case of simple mushroom poisoning. Let's see the result. I shall share you this case, my friends.